This is the Ecoroad EC8 scooter. We have a number of speeds, changing the miles to the kilometers, and changing the cruise control. We have an additional feature that is not mentioned from 0 to start. So when we hop on our scooter and we give it gas, we're able to move. We are where we need to push off to go. And if you don't like pushing off all the time, I'm going to show you how to change it so you can just stand up, give it throttle, and it goes from 0. I apologize if the screen flickers. We have the miles per hour and kilometers shown. We're in miles per hour and we're on D mode and the amount of battery. If we click this once, we turn the light on and off. If we click this button twice, it changes from D to S, walking mode, and back to slow, economy, and back to the D. If you press it 3 times, over here, watch this change. 1, 2, 3. It changes to kilometers, 1, 2, 3, and back to miles per hour. If you do it 4 times, it takes it off of speed control, cruise control that is. So now, if you want to go and change from 1.8 miles on a push-off, you do this 5 times. As long as you do it quickly and you don't have to do it real fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's nothing in here that says we are now on push-off or standoff. And let me show you what it looks like. Change it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now when I just go like that, I don't have to push off. I just lift up and go. And that is how the 5-button press quickly. If you do it incorrectly, try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Engage and disengage. It's just basically remembering the 5 quick presses. I hope this was helpful to you. So this way, instead of pushing off all the time, and you don't get the correct speed to get going, it may become quite annoying for some. This way, it's a lot easier to do from a standstill. But remember, if you touch the throttle, it's going to move, and that's the part you want to be careful on. I hope this video again was helpful to you, and thank you for viewing the Ecoroad EC8 scooter.